between a Mayan astronomer and his student. The Mayans were able to calculate with great precision, the predictions, for example, for eclipses and the position of the moon in the sky, the position of Venus, and so on. However, it was all done by arithmetic. You count certain numbers, you subtract some numbers, and so on. There was no discussion of what the moon was. There wasn't even a discussion of the idea that it went around. There was only calculate the time when there would be an eclipse or the time when it would rise, the full moon, and when it would rise, half moon, and so on. Just calculate it only. Suppose that a young man went to the astronomer and said, I have an idea. Maybe those things are going around, and there are balls of rocks out, like rocks out there. We could calculate how they move in a completely different way than just calculate what time they appear in the sky and so on. So, of course, the Mayan astronomer would say, yes, how accurate can you predict eclipses? He said, I haven't developed the thing very far. He says, but we can calculate eclipses more accurately than you can with your model, and so you must not pay any attention to this because the mathematical scheme is better. And there's a very strong tendency of people to say against some idea, if someone comes up with an idea and says, let's suppose the world is this way, and you say to him, well, what would you get for the answer for such and such a problem? And he says, I haven't developed it far enough. And you say, well, we have already developed it much further, and we can get the answers very accurately.